Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Kubernetes volumes to S3 for analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from Kubernetes volumes to S3 for analytics, begin by identifying your Kubernetes. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access both the Kubernetes cluster and your AWS S3 bucket. Next, configure your AWS CLI with your S3 credentials by running the command AWS configure. This will prompt you for your AWS access key ID, secret access key, preferred region, and output format. Once configured, you will need to access your Kubernetes pod where the volume mount is located. Use the command kubectl execute podname/bin/sh to open a shell inside the specified pod. Navigate to the directory where your data is stored on the volume. Verify that the data you need to transfer is present by using the ls command. Next, use the AWS S3 cp command to copy files from the Kubernetes volume to your S3 bucket. The syntax for this command is AWS S3 cp local file path S3 // bucket name / object name. If you want to copy an entire directory, include the recursive flag in your command. For example, the command would be AWS S3 cp local directory path S3 // bucket name / object name. Monitor the output of the command to ensure the transfer is successful. Once the transfer is complete, you can log into your AWS S3 console to verify that the files are in the correct bucket. If needed, repeat the process for any additional files or directories. Ensure you clean up any sensitive information, such as AWS credentials, after the transfer is complete. By following these steps, you will have successfully transferred data from Kubernetes volumes to S3 for your analytics needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.